y'all. So we're in the lobby, guys. My mom's building. This is the fan. And you just say you're gonna take the stairs.
Alright, so number 1.
Yeah. We all getting in the elevator, guys. Come on, are you getting in? Oh my gosh. Show it. Elisa, show it.
Come on, but you already pressed it. What if you pressed a different number?
Sometimes at school, I be thinking I'm gonna get stuck in the elevator.
Yo, let me tell you something. I read me too.
Come on, so why would you say
So I know you, my dog.
I got stuck in the elevator when I was pregnant with
It
little
was
Brian.
literally like, it'll make this big ass noise when I.
No, you're not stuck in the beta.
And I'm like, guys, let me out, please.
But you're not stuck in the beta.
No.
Like, move your hands for me.
Watch your out.
And we're on route to mom's house. It's right here.